Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are exploring Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we aim to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video serves informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a buy candidate, providing it with a score of 2.02. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases may occur within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 23% to a decrease of about 3%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 67% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between nearly 47% and 93%. This could result in a price range from about $198.64 to $261.07 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Nvidia stock price increased by 3.16% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, rising from $131.14 to $135.29. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.06% with a day low of $131.17 and a day high of $136.50. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 8.54% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 37 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 196 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $26.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $153.13, while the lowest was $66.25. Currently, the price stands 11.65%, or $17.84, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today marks a significant moment for Nvidia, as the stock is influenced by multiple factors in the current market landscape. The recent easing of inflation concerns has buoyed U.S. stocks, with Nvidia among the leaders in gains, further improving investor sentiment ahead of its upcoming earnings report on February 26th. Analysts predict that this earnings call could act as a major catalyst for the stock, potentially driving it higher in the short term. However, challenges loom on the horizon. Competitive threats from firms like China's DeepSeek and other tech majors pose risks to Nvidia's market share and profit margins. These dynamics may create uncertainty around its future earnings projections, which analysts are closely monitoring. There is a balance between the current optimistic outlook driven by strong growth potential and the looming pressures from increasing competition. In the short term, positive momentum from broader market trends and anticipation for the earnings report could keep the stock moving upward. Conversely, if competitive threats materialize alongside disappointing earnings, the stock may see volatility. Long term, while growing pains from new chip developments could create opportunities, a sustained competitive landscape may impede Nvidia's ability to maintain its dominant position. Investors should be prepared for a mix of optimism and caution as Nvidia navigates this pivotal moment. Let's take a look at the recent analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Sunday, the 2nd of February 2025, Citigroup assigned Nvidia a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January 2025, HSBC also gave Nvidia a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January 2025, Oppenheimer rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, Citigroup reiterated their buy rating for Nvidia with a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, Jefferies also gave Nvidia a buy rating alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Today's chart presents mostly positive signals. The Nvidia stock indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected from the levels around 130.80 and 134.11. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by approximately 16%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $128.99, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.33 between its high and low points, representing a change of 4.06%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of this stock has been 3.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on February 26, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 84 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $136.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $128.99. If this support level holds, it may serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources stands at a neutral position. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Puri AK, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.845. Overall, insiders acquired 99,852 shares, while selling 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $129.74, reflecting a decline of 4.1%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. However, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Even though the stock is in a downward trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have revised our analysis from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of February, we anticipate that Nvidia will open down by 97 cents and begin trading at $134.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.